Hey everybody, B-rad here. Today I'm showing you the scrap load that I got that I'll be taking to the dump in the morning. Pulling it with the 86 F350. I've got 9 appliances on the bed. Got 3 rows of 3 here. This is all just washers and dryers and such. And on the dump trailer, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 refrigerators, a stove, a grill, like a washer machine. I'm not sure how much we'll get, and I'm not sure how much this thing weighs. I've never had the dump trailer with me. So we'll have to find out in the morning. We'll catch you back at the scrapyard. Who knows? I don't know. I weigh 11.3, so that's pretty good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's probably 3,000 pounds. Holy smokes. I'm sure I'll get ran over here somewhere. So, where my buddy? I don't see nobody. Oh, there he is over there.
How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
All right. Gonna drop the refrigerators right here?
Yeah. Yeah. I think these guys are leaving, I think. Hold on, man, I got this guy coming. Where's this guy going? So I'm gonna be way out. Okay, back at the house. First load was unclean. Weighed in at 11.3, weighed out at 8,080, so 3,220 is 150 a ton. So I got $241 for that load. Okay, got load 1 down. Here's load 2. We got a grill, little freezer, mini fridge, fender, water heater. And then in the trailer here, I've got all clean metal. There's wire shelves, metal studs, 2 trampolines. I don't know what else is in here. Oop. It's all sorts of just clean metal. Not a very good view. But there's trampoline bed frames, outdoor fire pits in there. So we'll take this load down and see what we come back with. Okay, got back with the second load. We have clean sheet. That was what was in the trailer. 9,700, weighed out at 8540, so we had 1,160, 195 a ton. It's 113 or $18. Then the unclean, which was the stuff on the bed of the truck, 520 pounds, same thing, 150 ton. It was like $39 for a total of 152. So add both those up. That is like 390 bucks pretty much, just shy of 400. So that's pretty good for maybe about a month and a half of picking all that stuff up. So hit the like button if you want. Subscribe. Might have some more scrap videos here in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.